Hello, welcome back to my channel, Noel PTV. So, ngayon mag-unboxing tayo. This is my first day of Atomy. So, dumating yung orders natin for our HemoHIM. So, I'll be trying this for my mom who suffers from Parkinson plus syndrome. Tapos, may ilang orders din tayo from our clients para sa HemoHIM. I-try din nila. So, wala pang masyadong information. I've read some studies on the action of HemoHIM, pero ang tututukan natin ngayon is yung product. I-unbox natin yung product, and then we'll try to start our treatments for my mom and myself, and then ibibigay din natin sa ating clients. But before we do that, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe to Noel PTV. Tapos i-click nyo yung notification bell for updates sa ating mga bagong videos. And also, like our video and comment down below. Okay. So, isang box ng HemoHIM. At kung sabi natin isang box, so it's really a box of 5 packs of HemoHIM. So, ayan. So, ito yung isa. Okay, baba ko muna. Ayan. So, this is HemoHIM. So, HemoHIM. So, tingnan natin. So, HemoHIM is an herbal extract dietary supplement. So sabi sa harap niya, this product has been researched and developed by the Food and Biotechnological team of Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. So 20 ml na packets, in packets, tapos 60 packets all in all. So 1,200 ml. Of course, they have to say no approved therapeutic claims. Yeah. So, ito yung ano niya. Okay. It's a beautiful packaging. So, maganda yung tatlong herbs na niya. Titingnan natin sa likod kung ano yung mga active ingredients din niya. So, sa side, din niyo makikita. And the other side. And then we have the supplemental facts. Okay. So, supplemental facts, serving size, 1 packet. Meron siyang 20 ml or 0.67 fluid ounce. Servings per container, so 60 servings. Ayan, so meron siyang 20 calories, carbohydrates, total sugars. Ayan, so meron siyang percent of daily value. And then may sodium, vitamin C as ascorbic acid, 14 milligrams. Thiamine as thiamine hydrochloride, 0.004 milligrams, maliit lang. Riboflavin, 0.186 milligrams. Vitamin B6 as pyridoxine hydrochloride, 0.174 milligrams. Pantothenic acid as calcium pantothenate or pantothenate, 0.7 milligrams. Proprietary blend of herbal extracts. So ito yung pinaka-active ingredients niya at 10 milligrams. Angelica Gigas, the root of the herb, root of Cnidium Officinale, and the root of Paeonia Japonica. Okay, so the ingredients: Angelica Gigas root extract, Cnidium Officinale root extract, Paeonia Japonica root extract, water, honey, starch syrup, fructo-oligosaccharide, citric acid, anhydrate, guar gum, ascorbic acid, sodium alginate, seaweed powder, calcium pantothenate, pyridoxine hydrochloride, thiamine hydrochloride, and riboflavin. So it also states, this statement has not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So kailangan sabihin po yun as a supplemental, a functional health food. It's not a prescription medicine, so hindi siya gamot. pero it will help a lot in various conditions. So una nga yung gagamitin ko sa mother ko who suffers from Parkinson's, at apat sa aking mga clients also accepted the recommendation to take the HemoHIM. So various conditions din. Okay, so caution. Okay, may cause severe reactions to susceptible individuals. Sabi, pregnant or nursing women and others who have been under care of a physician are advised to consult their doctor before using this product. Okay? If you have allergies to any substances, consult your doctor before using this product. Tapos meron siyang contact number and website. Imported by Atomy Philippine Distribution Trading. Okay? Manufactured by Colmar B&H in Sejongsi, Korea. So HemoHIM is a trademark mixed herbal extracts patented in Korea, USA, Japan, and Europe. This product is insured by Product Liability Insurance. Sabi. Okay, so meron siyang barcode. So to make sure that the product is a genuine product, so please beware of imitation, sabi niya. So it's a lot number. Expiration is June 30, 2022. Okay, so it's now time to open the box. So meron siyang sticker, a scotch tape. Okay. So buksan natin. Ganda ng box. Okay, so I'm opening this one kasi this is for my mom. The other 4 boxes are for my clients. So meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na smaller boxes. Okay. So it's the same information, no? Atomy HemoHIM, it's the same information found at the big box. So they package it into smaller boxes na mayroong 6 packets, so each smaller box. So meron siyang 6 na packets. Okay, so let's check out one packet. Yan. Okay, so herbal extract. So ano siya? Liquid siya. Liquid form, 20 ml. Supposed to be taken 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Ayan. So yun yung simple na ano niya, prescription niya. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of reading on HemoHIM, and it states that it's really a very good product to, no, yung hemo is hemoglobin. It's the part ng dugo natin that carries oxygen throughout the body. It also carries with it yung mga immune cells natin. So HIM stands for hematopoiesis, yung production ng blood and blood components. So and immunity, and strengthens our immunity to fight bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms na pwedeng pumasok sa ating katawan. So I've read that it's good for anti-obesity. It also has a neuroprotective action. So napoprotect niya yung mga cells natin sa neurons natin in the central nervous system, and even sa ating mga nerves and other parts of our human body systems. Ayan. So this is just a box unboxing. So I will be doing another video for the other information that I will be reading. So this is the second box. So and the third one. So sa mga nag-order po sa atin, no? Nandito na yung mga orders ninyo. So I hope we will have more supplies in the coming weeks. Okay, so thank you very much po. I hope to start this tonight with my mom. And then, yung 1 box, so 2 packet per day for those with conditions, health and wellness concerns. Okay, but you may also increase it to a certain number, about 2 sa umaga and 2 sa hapon, kung severe yung health conditions. So, For now, let us strengthen our immunity. Let us give HemoHIM a try, and we'll get back to you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Noel PTV. Thank you very much.